Hey everybody, I don't know if anyone is watching, but we are live from a prison cell with Marco.
Hi everyone.
Hey, how's it going? Little bit of a different setup we have over here, Marco. What do you think about our setup?
I think it's the event of the year, honestly.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a very high budget setup, this one.
Yeah.
We have fancy microphones, like we have a webcam with the tripods. Like I think
Yeah.
you did a big jump here, Orhun, honestly.
Yeah. I'm just doing some little tweaks over here as well. Keeping it professional as always. And if you, okay, I'm not sure if this audio is working. Hold on. I'm gonna do a little test, and if you're around, if you're one of the early birds, 6 people watching now. Who is watching? Say hi in the chat, as always. You know how it goes. There are like no plans for the stream. We will just do whatever. So
It's very reassuring.
So if you have any plans, if you want to see us do something, let us know. Otherwise, we will just chill. So yeah.
I will spam this on my, on everywhere.
Yeah, good, please. Yeah, I'm gonna check the audio real quick. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, I just changed something in the audio and just testing now. The worst case, it's gonna be a learning experience. So yeah, 6 people watching, nice. So guys, what are we gonna do today? Let me actually, first of all, okay, so there's some, the bitrate is too low. I guess it's because of the internet that we have over here. But
So you're saying that it's a low budget stream?
No, it's higher budget.
Okay.
So Marco today texted me and sent me a picture of the hotel room, and I looked at that picture from my low budget hotel and felt kind of humiliated. But yeah.
But yeah, we checked how much I paid and it wasn't that much.
Yeah.
So it was just a smart move from me.
Yeah, it's just yeah, it's my fault, guys. Sorry. Should have just booked a better hotel. But anyways, I'm gonna share the stream. Actually, you can maybe repost if you want.
Yeah, you can basically repost my posts. Yes.
Okay, so I need a good caption. Fisheye Orhun. Hi. Hey Lucas. Lucas is he created 3 slides. It's
Nice.
Yeah. How's it going, Lucas? We just I don't know what we're doing. I'm gonna charge my laptop actually. Do we have spots here?
It's a cold day that I ask Orhun, do you want to charge it? Do you want to charge it?
No.
No, it's fine.
Now it's time to charge it.
Tired of what, Lucas? What did you do?
Lucas probably wrote something with Ratatouille the whole day. That's why. The event of the year is happening.
Keeping expectations low. It's a good strategy. I like it.
Okay.
I mean, compared to the streams where I wasn't present, I bet that this is the end of the year. Yes.
Yeah. If you ask me what would I do if I had just 1 hour of life, this is probably what I would do.
Same. I
So-
will do a stream with myself. Yes.
Yeah. James says 2 visitors. Do you know James? From Macedon, maybe?
No, I
No.
don't remember.
Sorry, James.
I didn't recognize the. But if you're around that Rust conference, let's chat. Yes.
So, in case you guys don't know Marco, Marco is just a friend of mine, and yeah, I invited him.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you want to introduce yourself? I suck at
Yeah.
these. He made release please and other Rust tools. You already know them, right? I mean.
Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm Marco. Yeah, I met Orhun because I was using GitCliff as a dependency for release please, and so he sponsored me, and yeah, we chatted, and then we did podcasts together, and yeah, whenever there is a Rust conference, we always hang out together, and so we thought, okay, why not doing a stream together? So before we recorded an episode of Rust Ship, which is my podcast. If you want to see it, go to my YouTube channel. And now, yeah, we are doing this stream where we will do very interesting stuff. So keep watching.
Probably not. Keep watching just in case.
Yeah.
We do interesting stuff.
The end of the year.
Yeah. I'm gonna just share this stream. James say I only worked in Rust for a couple of months. I appreciate the shout out. Yeah, James is a cool guy. I mean, if you ever come to Rust conferences, find us. Marco is probably grinding somewhere with his laptop, but I'll be around. You know how it goes.
I mean, why do you say I've only written Rust for a couple of months? Like, you wrote Rust for a couple of months. It's a great achievement, and you should be proud of yourself and keep going.
Yeah. Absolutely. So I'm just creating a tweet right now. After that, we can probably do some stuff. I'm gonna tag you, don't worry.
Okay. We are in Vienna right now. We were at Eurorust, and yeah, we'll be together again at rustlang, which is the conference happening in Italy, in Florence.
Yep. You don't seem very happy about that, but yeah.
No, that's just me. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah, definitely. If you want to come to Florence for rustlang, it's a great conference. I've been, like, this is my 3rd year there, and yeah, we have a lot of fun, a lot of Italian food, delicious. So
Yeah.
if you want to hang out with Orhun in person, you can go to Florence.
Please don't. But yeah, Florence is nice. I liked that place last year. So
Yeah,
yeah.
he was considering moving there.
Yeah. Well, Italy is overall nice, I think. What were some of the things that you found confusing when you were learning Rust? That's a question for you, I think. I don't
So
know.
what were some of the things that you found confusing when you were learning Rust? So definitely one thing that I remember was confusing was the module system. So yeah, like how to create a directory structure of your project and how to organize it, because I think that until 2018 there was just one way of doing it, which was with the mod files, if I remember correctly. Then they introduced a new way, which is like you can have the modules declared in a file called as a directory. So for example, if you have a directory called TUI, you can have a directory called TUI with all the files inside, and then on the same level of the directory, you have a file called TUIRS, where you declare all the files of the directory. And like, since there are two ways of doing it, I found it confusing, and I think the majority of the people I talk to, they prefer the old way of doing doing modules. So yeah, the module system was confusing. I found a YouTube video which was very explanatory, I would say. Yes. What about you? What did you find? You got everything at first?
Yeah, I mean, it took like a couple of seconds. I'll get back to you in a second. I'm just doing this thing. So.
What about you? Well, vintage, right? Yeah. What about you? What are you finding good about Rust? Like, yeah, then there is async, which adds a bit of complexity, because the types become more complex, and so the errors of the compiler becomes more complex when you introduce async. So maybe one tip for beginners is try to not use async too much. For example, if you're doing HTTP calls from the client, you can use the blocking feature of request, the HTTP client, for example. But yeah, overall, after a while, you also get async. You get everything that's needed. Yes.
My first Rust project was a TUI, so I'm like, I was struggling with the event handling and threads a bit, because there was TUIRS, which was, so I basically take a look at the code of Spotify TUI first, and that was using some event module, which was creating a thread and then using the thread handle in a struct, and I didn't understand why that happens. I still don't understand why, actually. But the confusing part was actually about channels. So it was creating channel, and then it was cloning the channel before sending it to the thread. So because it's not movable, it's not send or sync, whatever. So I was kind of struggling with that, and I didn't know about the send and sync. So I definitely don't know about them still, but I can find my way around things these days.
Yeah, I think that like if you learn 50% of the language, you do everything you want, basically.
Yeah.
You don't need to get deeper into the details of the language, like unless you are doing crazy libraries. But yeah, if you want to write like apps, DUIs, whatever, just keep the code simple, clone, even unwrap if it's just like it's not something serious. Yes.
Yeah.
Especially if you're learning.
Yeah. For some reason, LinkedIn is not working for me. Just loading, and it says the bitrate is low. I don't know. I guess it's fine. Let us know if there's any like freezes or like any audio issues, by the way, because I don't have any chance to like check out the audio and stuff.
Ci fece la ruota conferma.
Okay, hello, come on, Waisimon.
Yes.
We're not really exposing our location, do we? Because, yeah, guys, don't send SWAT teams, all right? We don't want that. Yeah.
Yes. So Javier is really enjoying the atmospheric jungle in the background. Yes.
No, I think they mean the music.
Oh, okay.
We don't hear the music, by the way. We just
yeah.
But we can do like try. Like wait. I'm gonna mute my. So yeah.
Okay. No, yeah, I don't want to expose too much, but yeah, this hotel has some
Yeah,
jungle vibes.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's why I was confused. Yeah, yeah, he's happy that we enjoyed the conference. Yes, Eurorust was great. Yes, there were a lot of space for chilling, working together with people. I liked it. Yes, recommend for next year, which is going to be in Paris. They announced.
Do you like Paris? Have you been there?
No, not yet.
Not
But,
yet.
in fact, yeah, I want to go there next year.
Yeah, but well, to be honest, guys, I'm not. If there are any French people in chat, I didn't like Paris that much. Sorry, I don't know. Not.
After
Yeah.
you see Italy, yeah, I know.
Yeah. Good point. Good point. Very fair. But yeah, let's see. I'm not sure if I'll be there actually. If I send a talk and if they accept it, for sure I'll be there. But these days, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Still posting.
Yeah,
This guy.
I posted on many platforms. You want this is the event of the year, right? This won't happen ever again, probably.
Yeah. After this, yeah, I don't know.
I won't see you.
Yeah, it's not like
Yeah.
my standards. Yeah, they're
Oh,
quite
sorry.
high. Yeah.
I just okay. Yeah. All right. Now I want to actually ask you some stuff about GitCliff, if you don't mind.
Ask me or
ask you and people also.
Okay.
So, all right, let me just arrange some stuff over here. 9 people watching, by the way, if you're wondering.
Event of the year.
Yeah, event of the year, absolutely. So, let me share my screen. I'm just gonna expose my setup anyways. It's gonna be fine. Are these conferences good for Rust? Packagers, I don't write, but package Rust utilities. Do you package Rust for distros, you mean? Like Linux distros? I think it's good because, for example, there were actually, it's just going crazy, my laptop. There are actually people from Arch communities at the conference. Don't expect to see like a lot of other like Debian people, for example, because they don't use Rust that much in the internal tooling. But I guess you can come across to some packages, so definitely I guess it's a good opportunity to catch up with distro people.
Yeah, I would say conferences, I found them mainly useful for catching up with people. Yes, like there are a lot of people, interesting people around, so it's nice to just discuss with them, share ideas, brainstorm. Yeah, I don't like this year I watched one talk, so for the rest,
Which one was it?
The last one, just to say, okay, I want to watch one. It was nice.
Well, I watched the first one and the second one and the last, or maybe three talks the first day and the last one the second day. I mean, you didn't miss too much, don't worry. I mean, you missed my talk.
Yeah. I will. I will watch a lot of talks offline. When they are published.
The last year it took some time for them to publish the talks, but this year hopefully it will be faster. Because last year I missed some talks that I really wanted to listen, but it took some months or weeks. So yeah.
I thought Rust would be harder to learn than it has been so far. Okay, good to hear. I'm a language nerd, though I usually appreciate the places where it needs more detail in thinking. I've written code for 20 plus years, though. Yeah, so you're an experienced developer, so probably it's easy for you to learn new languages. But yeah, like Rust has this reputation that is super hard to learn and so on. I don't think so. I've heard a lot of success stories of people learning it and creating amazing things with it. Yeah, so I think, and also I think that when you learn Rust, even if you don't apply, like even if you don't write it immediately for a job, for example, there are some concepts that you apply to your to other languages. So I think it's a great learning experience.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Mm.
100% agree. So yeah, I just wanted to ask you about Heathcliff Twee, if you have time.
Yeah.
If you guys have time. Well, this is my live stream. I do whatever the fuck I want. So
Basically, yes. Cartoons, because they are small crates.
what do you mean?
Yeah, I didn't get it. Okay, maybe small crate, like physical crate.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know.
That's actually more related to your job at Trust Foundation stuff, I guess, because this guy is doing infrastructure stuff. So
Oh, okay. His GitHub repo is called Cartoons. Okay, let me check it.
interesting. It's a good idea for a project, actually.
What?
What?
What project?
I don't know. Maybe search for Crates.io.
Right. I don't find it with the. Did you publish it on Crates.io? Maybe not. It's lots of ordinary stuff, but the async SSH pulse carton was my favorite.
Okay, I see. I think he created like little small Rust programs to learn Rust and just collect everything on
okay. Nice.
like cartons.
Nice.
Got it. Yeah.
If you want to drop the link, it's easy.
You're gonna review your code if you send the code, right?
Exactly. Okay, the projects aren't big enough to be great. Okay, so they are they are cartons. Okay, nice.
Hello,
nice job.
Pound Writer. Cool to see you both together.
Thank you.
We are They just locked us up in this jail cell and gave us a camera with the fisheye, so you just have to stream.
We had no other choice. Yes.
I posted a GitHub link. So yeah, links do not work in the chat. So you have to like
put spaces.
Put spaces or just give us your username.
Link to his username.
Yeah.
Okay, find it.
Marco's just on it right now. He will do some contributions, right?
Yeah.
He's cloning the repo. I see it from his screen.
Hello.
Hey.
Yes. Hi, Sally.
This is the event of the year, man. But before this, we recorded a podcast on Marco's channel, so go ahead and check it out. I don't think you published it, right?
It's in the live. It's in the live tab.
Okay.
About Beansider.
You got a question, Marco?
If you have time, Marco, could you share your experience working as a Rust infra engineer? And congrats on that again. Thanks a lot. So since you said again, maybe we know. Okay, maybe we know. Yeah, I don't remember. Because maybe I don't associate your username and so on. But yeah, thank you for the congratulations. I wanted to talk about this maybe in a video or something. So so 3 months ago I joined the Rust Foundation as an infrastructure engineer. So my job is to join the Rust infrastructure team, and the Rust infrastructure team manages the CI, the Rust releases, the GitHub bots that we have, for example, Bors, Creator, and so on. And it's been awesome. I really enjoy working with the infra team, which is made both by engineers at the Rust Foundation, like full-time, like me, and volunteers. So I'm enjoying working with everyone. Also, the people at the foundation are very nice and helpful. So far, like my main achievements are I updated all our Terraform providers of the rustlang dash rust-lang slash simple infra repository, and then now I'm updating our servers to Ubuntu 24 because most of them were really out of date. And yeah, we will do, like, we're always doing stuff. These are just the main things. If you are interested in helping us or having a look at what we do, I suggest to join the Zulip Rust server, or you can call it. And then there is the T-Infra stream. I will put the link there. I can talk for 1 hour about this, so if you have questions, tell me. Otherwise, I don't want to monopolize the stream.
I have a question.
Go.
How's the pay? How much salary?
It's a good pay, yes.
Yeah, I mean you can see it from the background and everything. It's good pay, guys.
Yes, especially for somebody in Italy. Yes, it's way above average.
Very nice.
Okay, I'm posting the link to Zulip in case you are interested in joining us, with some spaces in the middle. Do you?
For the money.
For
the money.
So, I work for the pay, and I love my job. Can I say it like this?
Yeah, we pretend that we believed us, but okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
I mean, like, I mean, I would say that facts show that I love working in Rust, because if you go to my open source repo release please, and you see the comment graph, you can see that I push code on evenings, Saturdays, Sundays, and just because I think that it's useful, release please, and help other people to yeah, just get better, like release their code faster. So like I hope that I'm making their life easier, and like now in the infra team is like the same mission, like helping, like making the developer experience of other developers better, ensuring that our infrastructure is secure, reliable. So like when I wake up and I start working, I have a good feeling. I started 3 months ago, and for now everything is going well. I hope it stays the same.
Yeah, I one day called Marco, or we were just talking, and he said that he was about to get in his car. So until this point, he didn't have he was using public transport, but these days just car and like private transport. So you can just see.
It's not, I can, like, I bought a car because I moved to Sicily, where the public transport is not great as Milan, and I bought a car in April, but I found this job like, yeah, I joined this job 3 months ago. So
yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Yeah, we believed you. All right.
Do you have any suggestion for people like me, just doing a bachelor's like we join? What do you mean, like we join? Like
join the
team.
Yeah.
So
Rust Foundation, or
so Rust Foundation, we don't have job openings at the moment. If you want to join the infrastructure team, I would say just show up in the Zulip stream and say, hi, I want to help you. But of course, like, first have a look at our resources. So if you go to, can we join? Okay, yeah, if you can join if you say, can we join the Rust infrastructure team? definitely. Of course, you need to show the team that you do your work, let's say. So it's almost like when you contribute to an open source project and then the maintainer asks you to become a maintainer as well. So, I mean, if you want to get started work to contribute to the Rust infrastructure, you can DM me, or it's better if you DM me first for sure, and then I can help you maybe making a presentation in the Zulip stream. Let's put it like this. Yes, DM me, and if for any reasons I don't reply, I don't know, maybe the message doesn't go through, introduce yourself in the stream, but like come up with the plan. So for example, say I want to work on Rust, I want to work on CI, so show that you done some research on what we do. There is if you go to rust-lang/infra-team, this GitHub repository has a README where there are a lot of resources and there is some documentation, so you do your research first.
By the way, the link to Zulip chat didn't show up here on my. Can you?
How do I?
Just send it to me and I'll post it on the chat.
Okay. DM me on Twitter for sure.
By the way, I have a question. Why Rust like internally or Rust related projects use Zulip? Why is that?
Okay, so why the Rust project? So Zulip is used by all Rust teams, all Rust project teams except like 2, which are in Discord. I don't know why they choose Zulip. Maybe because Zulip, like some reasons are Zulip is open source, I think, the code base. I'm not sure about that. But of course, like the decision was taken years ago, and I just joined 3 months ago. I can say that Zulip has an advantage with respect to Discord. That is that like discussions are more organized. Like if you join to a team channel, then there are topics, and if you then you need to click on the topic to get into the discussion. So I feel it can be intimidating, Zulip at the beginning, but like come on, we can manage it. Yes, it's not the hardest thing we did. Yeah. After a while, it's nice, I think.
And can I use Zulip on? Is there an app for like Android and like? Also, one other important question: is there a TUI for it?
I don't know. Okay, I sent you 2 links.
Okay, I'll
share. One is just the last 2 ones. The first one is actually you can just share the last one, the GitHub repository, because it contains the link to Zulip. It does? Maybe it does. Actually, I will raise APR. Yeah, share both links. Yes.
Yep. Well, I can create a PR. I can contribute to Rust Infra.
Do it. Come on.
Where's meetings? Well, there's a where should we add it?
Maybe contacts.
I'll let you do it, man.
No, you can if you want. Yeah. I mean, you can go to the website link, and there is the infra link. Anyway, you're smart people. You can find it. Yeah.
Yeah. Zulip is very cool. I bet they would welcome a TUI. Yeah. I need to check if it's open source and written in Rust. If it's that way, it's super easy. Yeah.
Let me check. I will check. It's not. I bet it's not written in Rust.
Then why they're using it?
GitHub.
They
Zulip server and web application.
Is it Rust? Ah, no.
No, Python, come on.
Ah.
I will just resign right now.
Do we have a bag here? I'm gonna throw up, I think.
We are joking, right?
Yeah. You don't have to say that. Everyone knows.
They understand.
Yeah.
I assume that not everybody understands jokes on the
No,
internet.
in these streams, everybody knows that I'm not serious,
Okay,
right, guys? Python, yeah. People from Dropbox built Zulip, and Dropbox began in Python. Yeah,
Okay.
makes sense. Well,
No.
the decision to use Python does not, but okay, yeah. Whatever. This is a welcoming stream. If you are writing Python, you can stay.
And James said, the Rust's future looks incredible. The stuff we do today will provide for us later as Rust grows. Yeah, I think, like, yeah, when I see, for sure, Rust's future looks incredible, but I think even today, like, yeah, Rust is used in so many things, yes.
Yeah.
You wanted to say something?
No,
for sure.
I was just laughing at my friend's comment.
Didn't you?
So,
Arda uses
yeah, Arda is my best friend, and he uses Python.
We should we like beep?
No, yeah.
No. We use Python in the team for scripting.
He says, speak Turkish. The last one.
I can just say Orhun parmaksız.
That was, yeah. I think it was 90% true. I think that's reasonable. It's enough, yeah.
Okay.
You know the meaning already, right?
Fingerless.
Yeah, absolutely.
But you have fingers.
What do you mean? Where are they? Hedge funds in New York City are using Rust to replace C++. Rust is really proving itself for high frequency trading.
Yeah, it's one of the domains. Yes, definitely.
Crypto is using Rust, so I guess yeah.
I got like one message in LinkedIn which is like all the buzzwords, including like Dubai, Rust,
heavy,
high frequency trading, quantum trading,
instant
like
approve, instant
like
apply.
I said, I mean, like all the buzzwords were there.
Instant apply.
Yeah.
Send me, please redirect them.
I will DM you.
Yeah, Marco has closed DMs. Like, not everybody can DM him.
I don't think so.
I think, yeah.
I have I have like message requests. I don't know. Yeah, Twitter is weird. There is a lot of spam. By the way, I found writer. I just DM you.
The other day, I reviewed Pound Writer's project on stream. He's building something about SSH something. So yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, writing Rust.
Nice.
Approved. Just noticed Zulip has a terminal chat app also with. Nah.
I don't know if it improves or makes it worse the situation. I don't know.
Well, are they using textual or what then? Is it like a TUI or just a terminal chat app? Like, that's also an important question, because not every terminal app is a TUI. The quote of 2024 basically.
At the end of the year. What are you compiling?
Yeah, I'm just wait. Let me share my screen. I'm just building Arch packages.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
just whatever. While we are talking.
Yeah, don't want to waste time, right?
Yeah, I'm already wasting time with you. You know what I'm saying?
I'm in the Zulip
Whoa,
terminal repository.
The fuck? Holy shit, that looks awesome.
It looks great. Yes.
Can you search for? Wait. Maybe I can do this on stream. Hold on.
I can send you the Zulip terminal.
Zulip terminal.
Honestly, what I like is that the space is really optimized. Like there is a lot of content in the screen.
Well, it looks very condensed.
Yeah, exactly.
But I'm not sure that's a good thing because it makes things a bit. Well,
like
it has a okay. Props to them. They managed to put everything in a TUI like that. It's kind of impressive.
Yeah.
Are they using textual though? I'm gonna search for it. What do they use for this? They have a make file and pip file and PyProject toml and setup.
Yeah, I need to.
Give them a star anyways.
I don't understand much about the Python ecosystem. I need to get up to speed with that.
Yeah.
So are they saying that condensed is good?
Yeah. Okay.
So you are the weird one.
As always, I'll take it.
And he says makes space useful. I agree.
Yeah. Sorry guys. Should I leave now? Is this package for Arch? No. I'm gonna watch for the release. Oh, the last release was in 2022. Is this maintained? It looks like it's just a single person is maintaining this. Then yeah. I'm gonna watch for the releases anyways.
Should we package it for?
Yeah, in case they release a new version, I'm gonna just package it.
Oh, okay. So you watch for releases. How do you do it? Let me check.
Just from here and then
okay.
custom and releases.
Nice. I didn't know.
Yeah.
And you get a notification?
Yeah, I get an email.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Also a notification.
Okay.
But I don't check GitHub notifications. I have. Okay, let's actually check.
I do the contrary. I don't have emails and I only use notifications. Okay. Yeah, my eyes are bleeding. My notifications. Look at them. How beautiful they are.
Let me check actually.
They are not that many.
Yeah, I have many notifications, man. Orhun, how did you come up with names for your project? Finding a name isn't already in use on a URL, Next package or GitHub is really challenging. Yeah, usually I put some I basically spend time trying to come up with something and then I basically search for it on the internet. So for Binsider, I came up with that, search for it and saw that they're unrelated stuff, it's not being used, and then I use that, but it takes some time. And I tried to get some help from AI for that recently and it doesn't really work. It just gives you some crap.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't do that. Just, I don't know, take your time, I guess, because I was not really in a hurry for any of these. I just took my time and asked people. Like, for example, the theater one that I did, I just basically came up with TTY heater, but then someone in the chat used theater, TTY. That was better, so I just basically use that. So ask for feedback, also take your time, try to find good names. Oh, it's hard, dude, for sure.
Good advice. I think maybe come up with the name and then think about it for 1 week and then commit to it.
Yeah. It's gotta grow in you. So maybe come up with a name, get a tattoo on your arm, and then 1 week later, if you don't like it, get it erased or just live it with your rest of your life. Something.
So
It takes some time.
You don't see the arms of Orhun, but they're full of tattoos with names. Yes.
Yeah. Since they use your vids for console. Okay, I don't know that library. Email is a tool list that other people put stuff on.
Irene,
Hello, hey.
we will see each at some point. Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah, I've been
You
just
also go around to
I've
conferences.
been asking her about which conferences that she goes, and none of the events overlap for now. But we'll probably come across.
Yeah.
Any moment where I almost published your project, but got to know someone used it already, like work for the project, but when it's time to release, faked up by some. I didn't get it.
Any moment where I almost published your project but got to know someone used it already? Okay, so like worked for the project, but when it's time to release, faked up by somebody else. So, like when you come up with the name and you're sure about it, you need to reserve it everywhere. For me, it's just maybe create.io. So you create a README and say, I will work on it in the next weeks, and you just publish the 010 so that, or 001, whatever you want, so that you reserve your project name. Then you create the repository or GitHub organization, whatever, and you start working on it. If you create the GitHub organization, like the GitHub project, without publishing to create.io or PyPy, whatever you want, there is the possibility that somebody steals your name, but I think first it's a bit unlikely, and two, you can read the for create.io you can read the create.io policy. In theory, like if you cannot, like, say, reserve names if you don't want to use the project, and if you see a name that is reserved and is not used for years, you can, like, there is now a report button, and my colleague will check your your submissions, basically.
Is
like
that his job? Like
the I'm not sure if he's the only one. The team, I think he's the team leader of the create.io team, Toby. He works full time at the foundation, and it's very fun. If you go to Zulip create.io, there is a topic where he says, okay, this person was reported because this package is not used, and so on. And yeah, we make a bit fun of him internally. We say, oh, it seems that this is your favorite part of the job, and so on. Of course, it's a tedious task, but if you have a legit use case for it, you can report crates.
Got it.
Like, for example, I don't know, there are people who reserve, I don't know, Ubuntu or
Arch.
like, yeah, Arch.
Well, for me, I don't reserve it. Like, I reserved the Insider when I released it. It's not like maybe safe, but I don't think nobody will. Yeah, I mean, I'm super genius, so nobody will come up with that name anyways, right? But no, yeah, it's gonna be fine, I guess.
It's not your main. You don't have to worry about it too much.
Yeah.
So, Marco, is there any RustConf happening in USA soon or in the near future? I don't know. I think check out RustConf. They will announce next year soon, but yeah, we still. I don't know.
You seem like you.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
No, I don't know. And yeah.
Okay.
I live on the other side of the planet.
Pulling the vowels from the word can sometimes say not that I know. Yeah. Right.
Zeus up is saying, "Where are you guys, and what are you doing?"
Just I don't know. I'll just leave it.
We are Rust developers, and we are just chilling and answering your questions.
Yeah.
We work both on open source projects related to Rust.
Yeah, open source Rust, and that's who.
Zeus up. Who are you, and what do you do?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If you ask that question here, you gotta you gotta answer that too. All right.
Absolutely.
Yeah. coming up with names is quite a fun process, but it can be kind of hard sometimes. So yeah, I recommend actually. So let's say you like some word too much, or you like it. I recommend like searching for example, let's think of like a short word, like I don't know, gin, right?
Gym.
Gin, oh no, gin, Gin,
Okay.
the alcohol.
Yeah.
Let's say you like it, like the alcohol, the drink, and
Yeah.
yeah, and the word. I recommend searching for the words that start with gin and combining that with something else, or maybe words and with gin, you know.
Yeah.
So or something like that. I don't know. You can come up with something fun. There's what was the go thing? Go tonic something. There is gin tonic or gonic library, which is kind of a fun name.
Okay.
So gin.
Oh,
Gonic.
gin gonic. Okay.
Yeah. So for example, like that, you know, you just find some resemblance. It makes it super fun. So yeah.
At my previous job, we created like an extension for tonic, the what is it, gRPC library in Rust, and we called it Ginepro, which is like the main ingredient spelled in Italian, so you can get creative.
Yeah.
I hope I did say the correct thing, but yeah.
Hopefully. One other thing. So this is a unreleased or just a band. We didn't even start this project, so you can probably steal the name if you want to go ahead with it. So I had a friend, and we were thinking of creating a platform for searching memes, right?
Of course.
And yeah, I mean,
What else?
I mean, it's needed. So you're thinking about like, so the objective of that platform is to like make you that you forgot about some meme, right? And you just want to search for it. You want to remember it. So the platform will be called Memember.
Nice.
You know, guys,
Memember.
But we didn't do it. So feel free to steal it. Yeah.
You can also sing "Remember Me."
Yeah.
From
absolutely. Yes.
Coco.
That's yeah. That will be the domain actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember that me. Right.
I mean,
so much memes.
And yeah, James suggests to remove the vowels. How do you pronounce this? Vowels?
Vowels?
Vowels.
Yeah, probably.
So just keep the consonants from a word. Yeah, it can work. I think experimenting with AI as well, like asking, like just to brainstorming, it can be useful.
Yep.
The project gives the name meaning. Most people completely forget Beatles is misspelled because the band is such a big thing.
Is it misspelled?
Yeah. What's the main? I didn't realize it was.
Sorry, man. We just.
We were smashed. Orhun's new GitHub project to search for cool project name in the terminal for sure.
Yeah. There are like a lot of conversations about, like new tweet stuff. One guy suggested that have like a tweet game browser thingy in the terminal, so you can just search for games and play them.
Ah, nice.
So yeah, maybe we'll do that someday. I don't know.
Emacs add that.
Yep.
Beetle, Pube Beetle. Okay. I didn't know this.
Yeah, man. Me too. But that's really cool. Actually, that's a kind of information that you just bring up in the first date, and then and then the girl leaves.
By the way, I only listen to Orhun's music. I don't listen to these Beatles. Yeah.
Yeah, my Beatles. Obviously, he's joking. You were planning to do some coding, but I guess no, we're not doing.
I can do whatever. Yeah. You are the boss.
I'm just building packages
Okay.
because
While you stream,
yeah,
your computer will thank you.
yeah, that's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Palm Writer says just let
That.
let it go, man. Let's write Rust now. Should we? We want to. What can we write right now? I think that would be.
But you said you wanted to ask me about
Yeah.
UI.
I want to ask you. Hold
And
on.
you just compiled packages. Like
Yeah. Punk is my thing. Beatles is old.
Yeah, a bit.
So, what do you listen to in punk? I'm really curious. Give me some names. Maybe I know some of them. So I'm gonna ask you, Marco, while we wait for James' answer. Oh, Ayo, Transistoric. Do you know Transistoric?
I'm bad with names.
It's his nickname, bro.
Yeah, worse.
Alright. So.
By the way, Ayo.
Did I just expose my
Transistor? No, I don't remember.
Take a look at him.
Now I recognize the picture.
Obviously, right?
Nice.
He's doing Zig as well, also packaging for Void Linux.
Cool.
So it's super cool guy.
Cool.
I don't know. You pronounce Transistoric. So yeah. Welcome, man.
So there's a question for you. Orhun, now how do you like NeoVim? I've been to your dot files and there was VS Code as well.
Wait a minute.
Orhun, we should talk.
I think you're wrong. Wait a minute. Where is VS Code? I need to delete it, dog.
Like force
But
push.
there's no there's
to-
no VS Code. What do you mean?
Like do grep,
Do you see VS Code here?
like settings. Look for .json, for example.
JSON? No.
There's no JSON.
There's no VS Code in there. What you mean?
We want proof.
We want proof. Yes. You cannot just say that. It's a crime.
The image.
In the README. Hold on.
Of Gitcliff, maybe.
No. That's not me. That's not myself.
It's also on a Mac.
That's not
I remember.
Mac. That's not. Yeah, that's a Mac. That's not me. Do you mean the images from 2020? That's old me. That's yeah. That doesn't count.
Yeah, I mean, I can testify. I saw Orhun at the laptop and he uses just IntelliJ products. It doesn't use VS Code.
What? That's worse. That's worse, dude.
Just Java. Just works with Java.
That's worse. But Rust Rover. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Like whenever I need to refactor and the Rust Analyzer doesn't work, I open Rust Rover, wait a bit, but then it works perfectly.
Yeah. Shout out to the homies at IntelliJ.
It's like serious talk. IntelliJ Rust Rover, like if anybody is not familiar with Vim or something like that, I think it's awesome for beginners because you can run the tests, debug the code, like debugging. Sometimes it's faulty, I don't know, in VS Code for me. I use VS Code, no shame. There it works well. So yeah, I think it's a great product, yes. So Andrew Kelly, which is the creator of Zig, is into punk. Good to know. Yes, he also did. I know that he created Zig to build like a music streaming server. Very cool story. There is actually Andrew is a cool guy. I haven't had the pleasure to meet him, but like I like most of I watch a lot of talks that he does, and I like his style of presenting.
You should probably invite him to your podcast.
Yeah, I'm sure he will be very happy to join. Yeah. Sure. We're talking with Orhun that I don't like inviting big names because I think they will waste
You invited
their
me.
time. Sure.
Yeah. Marco said.
No, I invited you because we're friends, and so you were so kind to
Yeah.
say yes. But I'm not friends with Andrew. So.
Marcus said something like, I guess, he said, I don't want to waste people's times to invite them, but he invites me, so I don't know, man. What's that about?
Yeah, don't worry.
Neovim.
No, just yeah.
Just Neovim.
Neovim.
I agree with
Yeah.
that. I agree with that. Rust Brower.
He's from New York City, where I am. Nice.
James can probably hook you up with Andrew.
No. Yes, better thing to do. Do you package for Nix as well? I worked for around 6 months as a Nix ops.
What the hell is that? Is that a thing? Okay.
Like DevOps, but he uses Nix maybe. It's cool. What's your thought on using Nix instead of Arch?
That's a question for you, I guess.
It's a question for you. I don't package anything. Thanks, James, for the offer, but yeah, don't. Thank you. You could ask if Andrew wants to join Orhun's stream.
I would happily host them. Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't really care.
You did some Zig's blog posts and so on.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I haven't tried Zig, so but he did, so it's better. It's a better match.
Yeah, I mean, he won't accept it, so it's fine. What are your thoughts?
Do you
on
package
Nix?
for Nix?
No.
What are your thoughts on Nix?
I don't like it.
Why?
Yeah, maybe.
You lost
Yeah.
100 subscribers.
Oh shit, no. So I don't want to say I don't like it, but I haven't tried out in
Okay.
depth yet.
Okay, so you have
I have
no strong opinions.
Yeah,
Okay.
strong opinions. I don't like the community a bit, because when I post something about Arch or Linux in general, everyone's trying to show Nix down my throat. That makes sense.
So it's similar to similar to Rust, where everybody says you should write it.
Yeah, so I kind of understand people who don't write Rust.
I see,
Because we try to like talk about Rust all the time. It's the same with Nix. Maybe I'm missing out. I don't know. I need to try it out. I don't know. So I no opinions, but sometimes it's a bit annoying, you know. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I just watched YouTube talks about it. I didn't try it, but it looks good. Cool, like the concept of like having everything as code. Like it looks like infrastructure as code for for your distro. I like the concept, but I haven't. I mean, I have a Mac. I work on a Mac, so.
Yeah, you just
We lost another 100 subscribers.
Palm writer, please don't unsubscribe, man. I love you, man. Please stay. Andrew has Zig backward compat to break. He's got no time for podcasts.
Okay, good to know. Because Zig is not 1.0, right?
No, it's 0. something,
Okay.
12 or 13.
I mean, it's fine. Like I don't know, like, but it's if they feel like they still can make it better, then it's fine, I guess. DevOps, but NixOps instead of normal Linux distro.
Okay.
Cool. Seems interesting job.
Yeah. If you're getting paid by doing that, super nice. Yeah.
Even if you don't.
Yeah, even if you don't. Yeah,
it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. I am down to intro, but is Marco saying no because Kelly's too well known?
Where is this? Sorry, where is this comment?
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm down to intro, but is Marco saying no because Kelly is too well known? Yeah. Like for example, I have a Rust podcast, so I like for sure it will be interesting to hear. Is I don't know. Yeah, like I think he's very well known, and yes, I think he has better ways to spend his time than coming to mine Rust podcast, honestly. But it would be cool if he does a stream with Orhun playing with Zig. I don't know, because he tried Zig. I didn't, so I don't know what to ask him. So it does. I don't think it's a good fit for me to like interview him or something. That said, I really enjoy his talks, and definitely if our paths cross at some point conference, I will go to say hi. That's it.
Yeah. So Andrew, if you're watching, come to my come to my stream, dog. Let's do some. I don't
Zig.
know. Yeah, Zig. I mean,
C++.
no. I mean, Zig is nice. I might actually do something with it soon. Soon, as in 2 years. So yeah.
Okay, very soon.
Very soon.
In the grand scheme, I mean, the universe has been around for a long time, so 2 years
Yeah.
is soon.
Yeah.
Orhun, since you use NewVim, could you share some cool stuffs and mappings as well that you really like to use inside?
Yeah.
Maybe while we still need to see GeekLift UI, but yeah.
Yeah, that's fine, dude. That's totally fine. So,
He's really compiling Arch
yeah,
packages, by the way.
yeah, you gotta do some stuff on the side. All right, so cool stuff you said. Oh shit.
Are you screen? Yeah, where your screen? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
sorry.
sharing my screen. Don't worry. It's a very, yeah, this camera is weird. Anyways, so one cool thing. Let's say you're on this line, right?
Yeah.
No, let's say you want to, like, have a link to this
A link, okay.
and share it with your
Yeah.
friend or something. So I press space G Y, and I got the link. So if I go
Nice.
to it, yeah, there you go.
Oh, I want this also.
Yeah, yeah, right.
On VS Code.
You're now seeing the magic. So let's say I wanna like take a screenshot of this part and share it on Twitter. I just press space S. Now it's on clipboard. I go to twitter.com. X if you prefer the modern way, and just paste it. There you go.
Oh my god.
You got the image, and also it's been saved to disk, so yeah, you can just do whatever we want with it.
Looks sick. Yes.
And what else? Let me remove this thing. I don't know, man.
What, first of all, what is this, like a distribution of NeoVim, like Lazy Vim, whatever?
This is Astro and
Vim, okay.
Yeah.
Looks great.
Yeah, thank you. I spent so much time configuring it because they break it every release.
Okay.
Every major release, I need to reconfigure it. So thanks. Takes some time. All right. What else? Going to my previous session is just yeah. I just show you this, close this, and then if I do S, I go back to my previous session. It's not mind blowing, but it works.
So it's called Astro
and Vim.
and Vim.
Yeah. All right. I guess that's it. I don't know. Let's check actually my config. I don't remember what I have. So my config is just plugins, user. Yeah.
I like that the cursor is so fast.
Yeah, that's not about actually, no. It's about Linux. So there's one command that I run. I think it's in X11 config somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna make it bigger. So this one sets the cursor speed.
Okay.
So it's I guess this is super fast or kind of fast. I can make it probably faster. I don't know. I guess it's faster now. So I don't know. It's basically a Linux setting. It's not about
yeah.
Cool. I want to check out the other stuff that I have. Git linker preview. So I can preview images in NeoVim as well. I have Copilot.
You have Kubernetes. Okay, so does it autocomplete?
Yeah, it's
And you have also
autocomplete.
the chat?
What?
Do
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have
I have the chat. Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
I don't use it though. I kind of removed it.
The chat, okay. Sometimes, like, like I ask questions, and even if it, of course, does gives me wrong answer, I find it good for brainstorming. Like I think it throws me in the right direction, even if that's completely wrong answers. And sometimes what I do is, like, if there is some logic that I think it can be expressed better with like more Rust advanced things, like, I don't know, okay, or then I say improve this. I select the code and I say improve this, and
yeah, I don't. Yeah, I should probably use that more often, because what I do is usually use ChatGPT on the side, which is I don't really. Yeah.
No, I don't.
I should improve my workflow a bit. Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
So, thank you, Pond Writer. Key repeat. Okay, I will try that. How many plugins do you use, Orhun?
78.
Okay, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Then.
I just checked. It says on the screen. So.
Okay.
They are lazily loaded. So. Yeah,
even though it's not lazy Vim, they are lazy.
Yeah, they are lazy. They are lazy like me. So I wanna like ask you this. So.
Okay, CG is cargo.
Yeah.
I have C, I think.
Just C.
Yeah.
C
Because I need to be fast.
All right, I see. Yeah. I see. Yeah. Whatever. All right. Yeah. So Gitcliff 2E currently looks like this, basically. Looks like this, but I'm a bit concerned about the design.
Yeah, I'm a UX designer, so.
Yeah, I feel like it can be improved. This space is just empty, you know, and okay, hold on.
I mean, the space is empty, but maybe we'll add more changelogs in the future, or maybe somebody has a different resolution.
Yeah, but I feel like I'm not really following the terminal rules here, because this is like a UI, more like, and like a graphical UI. I can use mouse. I feel like I followed some GUI design principles here instead of the terminal aesthetic.
Okay.
I want to like change this somehow, or maybe, I don't know. I'm not super happy. What do you think?
So what's the flow? So it's generating now.
Yeah, you click on it or you select it and it's generating.
So I have first feedback. Maybe you could start generating just the initial instead of everything.
What do you mean initial?
So like the first 100 commits, so that it takes less time. And so you fill this screen with an initial changelog.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, so I want to improve this by querying the GitHub stuff before showing you the TUI. So when you run gitcliff TUI, it will show you the progress thing first, query everything, and then you will show you the TUI, and then you won't need to do any fetching. You can just click like changelog, and it will have the context. Everything is just generated. So I will basically do that. Okay.
Yeah. Another thing you can do is just query the first 100 commits.
But do you like the UI and all?
I like, yes. Why not? You select the config on the left, and you see the changelog on the right. Yes. Let's see what
super simple.
What the chat thinks, but so we're right here. So first prompt writer says that he has just 9 plugins, and you should replace stuff with mini.newvim. Do you know this?
No.
Mini.newvim?
I don't know. Mini.newvim. Let's see. The library of 40. So is this like a collection of libraries?
Maybe just It's just one plugin that does a lot of things. I don't know.
But then, if this is doing the same thing, it's just reducing the number of like plugins,
Yeah.
but it's just the same stuff. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't use Newim. Astro probably uses Lazy Newim underneath. No.
Yeah, it's using lazy, like something about lazy for plugin management. So yeah.
An idea: remove some of the borders. The buttons under unconfig probably don't need them.
Yeah. I mean, I don't need buttons as well. I can just remove these borders and make it a list. That would be better, I think. Yeah. I agree with that. I'm gonna do that. Yeah.
Same with the border at the bottom.
Yeah.
Around generate change rule.
Yeah, this one. So
do you have the same for Insider?
No.
Okay.
It's more compact.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna do those. Yep. No, not just the number of plugin, but the UI and overall idea and everything. The author have done a great job on that. So
what's the main? What do you like about it? What's the idea? I'm asking from Ryder, not you.
Yeah. I don't know anything about this.
Yeah. Sell it to us.
Yeah. I mean.
And yeah, James said that Insider looks great. I agree.
Thank you guys.
Project.
We recorded a podcast, by the way. This is the 10th time
exactly.
we have a podcast.
Understood it now. Yeah.
So yeah. Thanks for the feedback. I'm just building packages, dude. Yeah. Okay, how many people watching?
9.
So, yeah, 92 people watched overall. Nobody donated. The chat revenue is non-existing at this point. But guys, there's a $sign. So, if you click the $sign right there, you can send me
super sticker and super chat.
Which one do you want? Super chat, yeah.
This is in Italian, by the way. Yeah.
Yeah, you can send me some money through YouTube, guys, and I cannot withdraw that money. So, yeah, I haven't set up anything. YouTube does not. I don't know if you know it. Like Marco is better with YouTube. He's a YouTuber, so maybe he can give us some. Do you have this enabled?
Absolutely not. I don't think so. Yeah, no. But I would say support Orhun on GitHub because there are less.
Because he's poor.
Fees.
Yeah. But like for real, did you enable any of the earn features on YouTube?
No, I don't think so. I don't know. But of course, nobody for sure. I receive no money for so.
Okay.
And I don't do. Actually, I don't mind. Don't worry about me.
Okay. Yeah, you're backed by Rust Foundation, so financially you're fine. You don't need
financially I'm fine. Yes.
You don't need these little donations. You don't need to. Yeah.
No.
Okay. So.
But still, if you want to support my open source project, you can still sponsor me on GitHub.
It's good. Sponsor me, all right?
Absolutely. Yes.
So yeah, jokes aside, YouTube does not. So it gives you the feature, right? I can enable this feature, but I cannot earn from it right now because I guess it's like you need to pass a certain threshold.
Okay.
Then you can get money.
Okay. So the solution is that they need to give you money.
I think the solution is that you need to have a certain watch time first and subscribers, and then they enable it.
Okay, so for now they should just sponsor you on GitHub.
Yeah.
And continue watching your live streams forever.
Watch. Yeah, even though you don't watch the thing, like you're not there, you just keep it open, the plane. You know what I'm saying? Like click the ads and whatever. No, don't do that.
They can ban you from YouTube from saying this.
No.
How do you say? Like we we disagree. Like we
You don't recommend or
not anyway.
condone?
Yes, sorry, it's just
Yeah, YouTube, don't click the ads, guys. Don't do that. Don't click the ads. Don't watch the streams. But so YouTube is weird. I don't know. Sometimes I get emails like, "Hey, you have this earn feature enabled," but then I go to the interface and then like, yeah.
Anyway, they got the point.
Yeah.
How are the packages going? They're building.
Yeah, I was just building this.
I was wondering, do you have some automation for building packages?
We will eventually, yeah, but not for now.
Okay.
But I have.
Do you want to talk about? Can you talk about this? Or?
Yeah, we can. So Arch Linux have some projects for automating that, but the hardest part is to automate the signing. Like you have signing keys. So right now it works like you have the right to publish packages. You have the packager key, and packager key is signed by the project main key holders. So if your key is not signed, you cannot publish packages. But then, how do you automate that? Because everyone has their own own key, and they have it on their machines or like on their YubiKey or whatever. I guess we will have like a signing enclave type of a project. It's called SignStar, and this will take care of the keys and also automating the signing process. I don't know how, but there's that project and it's been currently worked on.
Okay.
So yeah, we wish to have that next year probably.
Okay. And yeah, when you, for example, you could automate the build in, for example, GitHub Action. GitHub Action opens like pushes to a branch, and then you check out that branch and sign it so that you don't have to build it in your laptop, for example.
Yeah, right now I'm not building on my laptop. There's a build server.
Ah, okay.
Which is like super fast. Like
I thought that you were building while streaming.
No.
Okay.
It still takes a bit of bandwidth because the debug packages have big in size. But so yeah, I need to download them after building and stuff like that. But there's a build server.
Cool.
And I can show you the stats.
Do like htop, yeah. Oh my god. Oh wow.
Guys, I want to share it very briefly too. So this is the build server. I think the cores, like we have 128 cores or something, or 96, I don't know. It's quite fast machine. And you can see the names of the packages. So everyone's doing something. And yeah. Build server backed up by Arch Linux or you yourself. So this is Arch Linux build server. So when you become a packager, they just give you access to this.
So and this is where you mine bitcoins, right? You told me.
Yeah, before. That's where I mine bitcoins and do things basically. Yeah.
Okay.
At some point, someone was building some other packages. I'm not gonna give details, but. And then people saw that because you can basically see everything, and they're like, "What the hell are you doing? Why do you build these copyrighted stuff?" And yeah, it's a problem.
Yeah. I mean, in the Rust project we have similar thing to this build server. We have the dev desktops where people can work on the Rust compiler and they are powerful machines. Yes. Until now everything was fun. Yes. Let's see if they have htop there. No, I'm curious. Htop. Okay, just for us it's just 31 cores. So it's not the 32. Sorry, because it starts with
it's
0.
Still good, man.
Still good. Yeah. We have 4 of these, so. If you want to contribute on Rust and you don't have a powerful machine, we got you.
Yeah, are you drinking this water?
Go for it.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
Mhm.
This is where the GS get tanned. Hell yeah, man.
Test pass. Nice.
Yeah, Marco, tell us about life. How's the life in Italy and like how's the rich life, dude? Tell us.
The rich life, I don't know. Life is nice. Yes, I moved to Sicily. It's 5 minutes by sea, my house.
5 minutes.
So yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, yeah, by feet, I can reach the sea in 5 minutes. Sorry, it's, my brain is starting
All right.
to misfunction. So it's nice because yeah, after work I can do long walks and yeah, relax. And yeah, great food near to my family. So
Yeah, it sounds great. Like you're living like a dream life of us, dude.
exactly.
Keep it up, man.
What about you?
Yeah,
How
I'm
is?
just I don't know. I'm just chilling, you know,
Mm-hmm.
live streaming from my room.
Nice.
No, there's no sea in Ankara, you know.
Yeah.
So I cannot really.
But you like from the pictures, like you have animals, right?
Yeah,
It's
we have
still
we have a
looks
lake.
nice.
We have a lake and
Nice.
animals. Yeah, there's some green, and yeah,
Yeah, it looks like a nice place. Yes.
trying to have some good time there. So yeah, not like Sicily, but yeah.
No, come on.
When are you gonna? So it's 11 now. Should we stream for I don't know.
Oh yeah, how much you want? Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So thinking of leaving at 5 a.m. So we have like 6 more hours.
No worries.
No worries.
You can continue. I will just sleep and then you can go on until.
All right, guys. If you want to have a sleeping stream, like you're just gonna, I'm gonna sleep here, and if you wanna watch that, just type 1 in the chat. Let's see. Let's see how many. Oh. And if you don't wanna watch that, type 2. No, not. All right. You have just one. Yeah.
Twist Mara.
420. What's that supposed to mean?
So, what are your plans besides building packages?
For the stream?
Yeah.
I was planning to write code, but I find this more entertaining, you know.
Okay.
So I guess I'm not gonna do it.
Hopefully, they find it more entertaining
Yeah,
as well.
guys, Potatui. That's a really good name, actually. Sleepatui.
Actually, yes.
Potatui is really good, man. Wow. Wow.
Does it exist?
We can actually check if it's yeah.
Potatui. 0 crates, guys. This is your opportunity. I check just on crates.io.
Potatui. Wow, dude. So nice.
Yeah, ratatouille frontend for
Kartoffels.
kartoffels.
Yeah. So yeah, do you guys find this entertaining, or do we want to like write Rust, or type one in the chat if you want to see us write Rust, or type 2 if you want us to continue like this. I'm slowly getting super sleepy, but we can try.
Yes, write Rust.
Guys, come on. Don't do this to me. 1.
1.
God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna check my
So
to-do list.
one idea is to make the changes of the Gitcliff UI.
Okay. I'm gonna charge my thing. Write Rust, but if it doesn't compile first time and stream. Good idea. Good. I like that. I like the way that this gentleman thinks.
Then Palm Rider, no.
Drink beer.
We went to dinner and we just drink water and
Yeah.
soft drinks. Yes, no,
Yeah.
we don't.
We can like call the room service and get some champagne, like, you know, pop that shit. All right, so write Rust.
You should. Okay, yeah. Now we see your screen. Is it still on a branch? It's not merged yet.
No.
Ah, by the way, I have a PR on Gitcliff to do cargo format. That it always gets very conflicts.
Yeah, I should probably merge that sometime. Yeah, sorry. It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. Do you sponsor me on GitHub?
Yes.
Okay, then maybe.
It's just not a lot.
Yeah. Not enough. Not enough. All right. So let's guys. You wanted this, all right? You wanted to see some Rust, all right? Let's do that. Bordered. You want me to remove the borders, right? So, boom. No borders.
No borders. We don't like borders. We like people
Without
being
borders.
nice each other and
Yeah.
united. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Not the platinum Instamerge. Exactly. Yes.
I should probably add another tier.
Yeah.
Just for the memes.
Let's see.
Wait. Oh, hold on, dude. I'm actually gonna do that now. I'm gonna do that now, dude. Hold on. Sponsors. Wait, how do I edit this? Okay, dashboard.
There may be like private info, like how much do you get?
Oh yeah, hold on. Right, I'm gonna. You're gonna see it now. That's you're gonna see my income and everything. I don't make much.
Yeah, your income that you then distribute to.
That's true, by the way. How can I edit my sponsors, dude? That's just weird. So guys, one thing about me, I get the money, then I just sponsor a bunch of people. So I don't really have any chance to spend the money.
I get some water so that I don't see your numbers.
No, that's fine. It's in Turkish liras anyways.
Ah, okay. So numbers in Turkish are different, right?
Yeah, it changes because of the inflation. So if you see it today, you won't. Yeah. So hold on. Profile details, sponsored tiers. So is it going to be a monthly tier?
Ask them.
Guys,
I think so. Because
monthly tier or one time?
You can do like one time per merge.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Okay, how much it should be? $420. 420.
42.
42? Okay.
420.
No,
right. They are different things.
But 42, that's too less. Like
40. Okay.
You can just create a PR and give me like $42, and I have to merge it. Imagine that.
Yes, less. Actually. 420. 420.
420. Yes. 420. All right. Transistor. What do you think? One time for 420, and it's going to be called Platinum Instamerge. Okay, one-time tiers. Add one-time tier. 420.
Sorry if you had some water, but yeah, I was.
That's fine. All right, tier description.
Platinum Instamerge.
No, that should be no.
Is it one time or monthly?
Just one time. Hold on. Oh man. Okay.
They are suggesting anarchrusts.
I don't know. Your PR, any PR merged pronto. What is pronto?
Pronto means ready in Italian.
Okay. Okay, got it. So my laptop is going crazy again. Platinum, it should be the diamond,
Yeah.
right? But it's like diamond emoji. I'm gonna share my screen, guys. Give me a second. I gotta do this. Platinum.
I think you can share this screen.
But if I go back, they will just see my everything.
Yeah, but then you don't go back.
It's super risky right now.
Write it in the terminal.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever.
Yeah.
Do
Okay.
whatever.
Platinum Insta Merge.
Platinum Instant Match, exactly. Like your PR gets on top of my priority list.
Your PR gets on top of my. No, I will just instantly merge your PR. Okay. Instantly merge your PR.
Like if they add rm-rf in Wycliffe, do you merge it? Okay.
No one will sponsor me with this.
Wait, for the TUI you could also add the kind of... Ah, okay, that's a good idea for later. And they suggest money bags emojis.
What?
Money bags emoji. So like the emoji with the
Oh yeah,
money
okay.
bag. Platinum Instant Merge will instantly merge your PR. Your PR. Your PR. Any PR merged. Pronto. No, don't make the italic, the emoji italic.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry. Hmm?
Right.
Or let me just do like this to make it more.
Yeah. Looks good. Looks good to me.
Publish. Display in welcome message. No. Yeah, maybe. Hold on, let me.
You can write, send me the link of the PR you want to be merged.
So I'm gonna
Okay.
invite them to my Discord.
Yeah.
I hope this invite is still working. Okay, it's working. Okay. All right, guys, published.
If you go to GitHub sponsors.
GitHub sponsors. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen now. All right. So if you go to one time, there you have 421 time Platinum Insta Merge. I'll instantly merge your PR. Your PR, any PR merge pronto.
It looks great.
I'm gonna share this. Okay, I'm gonna copy. All right, 1 second. Maybe I will share it. I cannot really think of a good caption right now. All right, going back to this. Right.
No borders.
No borders, yeah.
So Palm Writer suggested for the TUI, you would also add a kind of button to have links for your GitHub, Ko-Fi, and so on.
Stuff like, when you click, it will open the thing on browser, you mean?
I think so.
I have it for Winsider actually. So if you run it, if you press
O,
it will just open the website. So yeah, I think it's a good idea. Yeah, I can't get that in mind. So when there's no borders, I want to change the text color then. So it's gonna be some like style, and then oh, what did I do? Style, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes takes some time. Yeah, recently, I don't know.
I'm charging the laptop and writing Rust and streaming, so it's running the fans and it's quite slow. Okay, so now
can you like maybe decrease the spacing? I don't know.
Yeah. I think it's in the table somewhere. Table.
Like make a new selection where there's space after listing the config, and add your sooner links. Since you said it's more of a GUI pattern.
Yeah. So right here.
Yeah.
I can have like links, I guess. But not like not like tied to key bindings. More like just links that you can click, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna leave soon.
Why
don't worry.
No, don't worry. Why there was like a lot of space between?
Oh yeah, it's because the calculation over here.
Oh wow.
This is
serious math.
This is not needed, by the way. I made this because I wanted to use the mouse. When you hover on it, I want to change the color and so on. That's why. But you don't really need to do it. So I'm gonna change this. Yeah, I don't know. Like badges can be clicked. Okay. What? I did something wrong.
It's empty.
Yeah. One sec. Why is it empty? So item count.
Do you still need this thing for the mouse since you don't have buttons anymore?
Yeah, I can probably remove it. It was just for fancy stuff.
Okay.
Like, yeah, I can probably just have
list selection.
Yeah.
With the keyboard.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know why I have it in the first place. So let me actually mouse events is hovered, but maybe it would be nice to have it. I don't know, because some TUIs have it. For example, this game, like you can basically do this, right? So I want to have it.
Okay.
So yeah. So what I'm doing is
You removed it?
Yeah, I did. I removed the margin, but it's still weird. So I'm trying to understand what I did there because I don't remember the code. So item count is like, you know, on each line I want to, oh my, wow, what the hell? Oh. I want to have, what happens if I make this thing 4?
Just a random.
I don't know, man. Trying to understand the logic there. There's a margin there too. Okay. Yeah. I should have just used a list widget, to be honest. I've tried to create my own list. That's the problem. And it does not really work.
Is the list widget clickable?
No. I need to do something custom for that too. I need to track the position of the items, and basically when you click on somewhere in the terminal, I just compare it against the coordinates here.
Oh my god, okay.
Yeah, that's bad. I know, it's bad. And that's how it works right now. If I use a list widget, I need to track the coordinates of the, yeah, it's bad. We need to improve that thing for sure. And that's why I'm right now working with this, because, you know, I'm seeing the bad parts.
Yeah. You're double fooding.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, guys, borders are nice actually, right? No, why are we removing?
I like borders.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. But I'm going to come back to this later. Maybe we can do the simple one first. For example, the one on the bottom. It should be super easy to get rid of. For example, famous last words. Gonna be something like
cancelable quote right there.
what did I say?
Well, yeah, we didn't realize it.
What did I say? I like borders. Is that the cancelable quote?
Yeah, maybe that's why. Yeah, I also say yeah.
Yeah.
Just to be clear, we like borders only on GUIs.
Yeah. No, I'm not talking about countries.
Exactly.
Okay. I still
just
have
about nations.
What? Oh man. So render change log.
He used the mouse. You already saw it, right?
What? No, no, guys. So okay, render key bindings. I'm onto something here. We have the version there.
Use the mouse. Yeah, there is. Okay, that's the version of the tool.
Yeah.
Of Git. Okay.
So what happens if we remove the borders?
We don't care about the version, honestly.
Okay. Okay, fair enough. But I can just put it here. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this thing. What do people say, by the way?
I just got a notification on our new Vim. Today is the birthday of new Vim authors. So happy birthday, mini new Vim authors. Ekasnovsky. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Thank you for keeping POM writer configuration smaller and the number of plugins
yes
smaller.
Yeah, happy birthday. Very Very, very nice work. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, so title bottom. This should be...
By the way, today is Orhun's birthday, actually.
No. Don't tell them. Come on. Where's the champagne?
The cake is coming. Yes.
All right. So let's move the version to the other block. Yeah, it's okay. It's set wrong.
Okay. Yeah, I saw it. So you are the author of Mini Newbin.
No. I'm just a humble open source guy. No, not my birthday, guys. Come on. You already know my birthday. The hell. So no borders, but still the thing is a bit fucked. So we need to fix that. So constraint min should be just 1.
What's constraints mean?
So constraint min is minimum 1 characters. So
Okay.
I just want minimum of 1 characters here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just 1 line.
Ah, 1. Okay.
Yeah. And if I want to remove the...
So is it minimum lines or minimum characters?
Minimum line, sorry.
Line,
Minimum,
okay,
new
okay.
line, like...
Yeah. I see.
Sorry,
yeah.
my brains are working.
Okay. That looks good, James said. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. Yes.
Yeah, looks better. Yeah.
Nice. Yes. What's this? Like, how do you? Ah, okay. You just make it smaller. Okay.
Yeah.
To try it on a smaller screen. Okay.
Also, I need to fix the list. Okay, let's get back to that. So,
It looks really good
yeah.
on small size. Yeah.
So, here's the thing. Here's how it works. I'm gonna live debug it. So there's an area, and what I currently do is I calculate the item count, how many items that I can fit into that area by taking the height, subtracting 2, because there are like 1 and 2 characters coming from the...
It's better if you use the mouse so everybody understands.
Okay. There's 1 and 2 lines coming from the borders.
Okay.
From the height. So
okay.
So
so if you go back to the code, you can. What I will do is like do let borders line equal to, for example.
Yeah. Okay. And then next thing that I do is divide that by 3, because each item takes 3 lines.
Okay.
But in this case, each item will take 1 line, because we'll remove the borders.
Okay.
So there are like no borders.
So you don't need to divide.
Yeah, I don't need to divide it. Yeah. Thanks for the help.
No worries.
And then start offset. Doesn't really matter. It's about the scrolling. If we can get back to that.
So if there is, okay, I was wondering if there is the height that is just 1, but there are many templates, so it's fine.
Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. And then so then I create the rectangles, or just the area to render each item.
Mm-hmm.
And to do that, it's basically
okay, like 2 lines.
Yeah, but
so it should be 1.
1 line, and then I repeat that by the item count.
Okay, yeah.
And margin, I don't know. I guess we don't need that.
Split rect.
That's basically takes the available area and creates these areas, like splits that by...
Okay.
And then in here it's just the iterating over the items, like the configs.
Yeah.
And then yeah, just like creating a style, and then item is basically wait, why is this min one? So horizontal is like, yeah, just horizontally, and then that's weird. That's weird. Okay. Oh, I think I got it. So I basically I go over the I like configs, and for each config I take the available area for that line, and then I split that area, so I just push it one character to the
Okay.
right, because
There is some space. Yeah.
there's a border
Okay.
right
Okay.
there, right? It's not
Yeah,
super
it's like the margin.
clear. Yeah, and then no, I guess no margin as well. I don't know. And I take the second percentage because I just pushed it, and I want to take the rest, so it can be just fill to make it.
Fill. Okay.
And then yeah, I just basically render it. So yeah, let's see how it looks like. So this is this scroll bar, but doesn't really matter. So right now when you run it, nothing happens and it just gets stuck.
Because it's wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. Something is wrong with it. Let me just disable this. Is there a chance that we're getting a infinite loop or something?
Can you I don't know, write some prints?
What do you want to see?
I write I stuff like that.
Yeah.
This looks good. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna. Everyone probably left the stream by now, by the way. Probably no one's watching. If you're watching, you're one of the OGs. Okay, prints does not work. There's something wrong with this. Yeah, checking top.
Check top. Might see process doing something. OG. So yeah, some people are still writing. Still here.
So it uses like 69% of my CPU. 70.
Yeah. Probably for the stream it's not nice. Yes.
Yes. I agree.
Nice. Exactly.
So there's something wrong here, I think.
69 mentioned. Yes. Okay.
So hold on, I'm gonna try to debug this by just doing comments.
Okay.
Okay. So there's something wrong with this, basically.
Yeah, print debugging. Yes, always the best.
So it's trying, like, this is doing something wrong.
You're creating the rectangles. Yeah.
But it's like repeating by the item count. The item count is like.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't get it why it's doing that. Like what? Actually,
What's the item? Yeah, in the for, what do you do?
Let me panic. Guys, the next level of println debugging is panic debugging.
Yeah.
Have you ever used this? Probably
No.
not, probably not.
Could item count be wrong somehow? Bigger than layout supports or
Yeah,
something?
that's probably the case. So item count is basically, okay, item count, height, correct, height, and start offset doesn't really matter. Okay, let's see, panic debugging.
It's Rust 201.
Okay, item count 59, height 61.
Yeah, so it's a negative number or?
No, so it's basically trying to like split the rectangle
Okay.
by 59 times. So if I make this thing 2, it'll probably work. But I don't get it, like maybe
Yeah,
it's a roto debug. Wait, if I make it 2, it's then
like how?
yeah.
Like something that is 2, you split it 59 times?
Maybe length, because min is like minimum 1 line and length is
Exactly one.
exactly just
Yeah,
1 line.
looks better.
Okay, this actually worked. So let's try to render this. Oh. Okay. I don't know why it worked, but yeah, it makes sense, right? Just 1.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Alright, so
Trivial. Oh, but it's weird that the first one is in the line.
yeah, so we need to actually do something like similar to this one. Not fill 100, dude. Fill, give me a percentage. Okay, so I'm gonna do basically some like.
Maybe it's better to change one thing at a time. Like for yes, a general rule of thumb. I don't know. It's when you change something in the in AUI, maybe it's better to change a few things at a time.
Yeah.
Maybe you changed too much.
Yeah.
Why were there 59 items? The list had 8 or 9 things in it. It's a good question.
Yeah, so 59 is basically the maximum.
Okay, so it wasn't the items. It was just the rectangle height, right?
Yeah, so if there are like 8 items, it goes through the first like 8 and then renders them. So so basically what I'm gonna do is this. So I just move everything 1 line down. There should be a better way to handle all of this. To be honest, just golly, super.
Okay.
Super weird. But yeah, this is how it works.
I think it's more minimal than the button version.
Yeah, and also I want to set the area for each one. So for example, the config ones, I've somewhere set the area for them. So if I look for area, no, not this one. Oop. Widget area. So let me search for, do you see it? Signature search. What?
What are you?
I want to search for the usage of that.
They love the concise list style. Nice.
Yeah, but I cannot find it. So guys, the next step of panic debugging is to um, compiler failure debugging. So I want to search for usages for this. What do I do?
You use VS Code.
No. Good point. I just change the code in a way that it won't compile, so I can find the usages.
Makes sense. It's built in into Rust. Yeah.
Yeah. So no. Yeah. There you go. Wait. Config area. Wait. I don't understand. Where do I set this? There should be a way where I cannot even speak.
Yeah, it's in those lines, right?
No.
It's in the events.rs. Where are you?
So
You are in states.rs.
yeah, I am in state, but where do, okay, I want to see. So maybe I deleted it. Hold on.
But if it's compiling and you get the error, how is it possible to delete it?
Maybe it's in here.
Go ahead. I don't know. It was a long day.
It was a long day.
If you didn't know, he did a podcast interview today.
Yeah, if you guys didn't catch that one, I'm gonna leave soon. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave.
It's not an issue.
He keeps saying that, but he's probably like, yeah.
No.
I'm gonna leave.
I'm enjoying. I'm learning something.
No, what did you learn? Nothing. It's just I'm struggling here. Like,
No, I mean the constraints, minimum lines, percentage.
you're gonna learn them anyways in the workshop next month, probably. If you
I will be more prepared for it.
Okay.
Impressive, you are still going. Yes, Orhun is
I think
grinding. You keep grinding.
No, I think they're talking about you. Impressive that you're still going with this bullshit.
No.
Yeah, guys. First thing that I will do tomorrow is go to the gym. So.
Is it relevant?
No.
So what do you want to do?
I want to fix this.
Okay, what's the error?
There's no error. The problem is I want to, when you hover with the mouse, I want to highlight it.
Oh my god, okay. So you need the coordinates and such.
Yeah, so, okay, I get it. So position, config area contains position. So, alright, so something like this.
Don't look at Copilot.
Copilot does not know.
Yeah.
Config. Okay, I probably removed this code while I was doing the
okay.
refactors. And nobody realized that, yeah.
I didn't because
you weren't even looking.
Yeah,
so config area is equal to that. So now if you run it, you'll see that it will work.
Nice. I have no doubts. Nice.
We got it, guys. But the
As
colors,
if you click?
Yeah, it works.
Okay, it works.
But the color is wrong. It should be white for some reason. So it should be, this one should be like foreground color white. Not WW white, but white. Okay. Or maybe reset. Or no color. Because sometimes people use,
that
for some reason,
white themes,
yeah. So I don't want to deal with that. So now it's, yeah, like this basically. Click it, it works. I mean, it's supposed to work. So yeah, guys, no borders.
No, it looks way better than before. Yes, looks more minimal. Yeah, nice job, Orhun.
Thanks, guys. My life is complete.
So now we mesh these two main.
No, we still have to need the. You still need to fix the scroll bar.
Okay.
So
If somebody has 420 euro, we
yeah,
will mesh it immediately.
yeah. So this part,
Yeah.
basically check. Okay, this should be just this, and it will work. Yeah. So when you have a small
Nice.
terminal, you'll have a scroll bar. Do you want me to go over everything again? Do you think it's clear?
I mean, if you want, it's not clear to me, but because yeah, for many reasons. But yeah, main one, I'm a bit tired and I don't know Ratatouille. But yeah, if you feel like, maybe for the people watching, they're interested too.
I think. Let me check how many people watching. 7 people still watching. Okay, for the sake of these people, I'm gonna go over the things that I did.
Nice.
So basically,
First, yeah, if you want to comment, it's up to you, since it's working.
yeah. Okay, then let's comment then. Style.
Yep.
UI or TUI. Remove borders.
Nice.
Can you look away for a second? Thank you. Thanks a lot.
No worries.
And push to the branch.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, basically the interesting thing here is that you can just use the list widget if you want to render something like this. It's super simple.
Mm-hmm.
It gives you like, you know, highlight character, highlight style, stuff like that. So you don't need to do any of these these things. But for me, I just basically wanted to have more control, and for each item, I'm saving the item area,
Mm-hmm.
like the coordinates, so to
Yeah.
speak. And later on, while I'm handling the events, mouse events, when I move the mouse, I check the current position against the positions of everything that I have,
Yeah.
like the configs. And if one of them is match, I just set the is hovered
Okay.
boolean to true.
Yeah.
And while rendering this, I just check if it's hovered.
Mm-hmm.
Some here, like some here, there you can see. Hold on. And if it's hovered, I basically set the like highlight style, and
Okay.
that's how it works. And for clicking, basically when you click, I go over the configs, and if it's hovered, if something is hovered, I basically use that. I don't need to check the coordinates again, because if it's hovered, then it means that it's on, like you're currently on the item.
Yeah.
And that's how it works.
Nice.
Let's see.
So with the list, you said you cannot click, right? With the list, if you use the list widget, you can't click.
Yeah, there's nothing. So list widget. Let me show you. If I go to Ratatouille and example list. Wait. It's not clickable. It does not store the area. So you can basically use like a text for the rows, and you need to store the coordinates or the area in the rows in order you to do that somehow. But we don't do that. So row is basically just text.
Okay.
So yeah, but it's super simple to use the list widget. If you don't want to click with it. It's like, it has many advantages.
Does it take so long to compile Octograph? No, maybe. No.
Yeah, so this is the list.
Nice.
Yeah, and these highlights are just, you know, dot highlight style and dot highlight character or something. So that's the list example.
Nice.
Yep.
And yeah, as we said, you cannot check with the mouse.
No. It does not handle the mouse events.
Okay.
And one other thing about the list is that I'm going to see if the stream is still running. Yeah, okay. For example, I implemented this list. And in this list, when you scroll down, the colors change.
Nice.
Yeah. It's quite fun to implement. And you cannot see it from here, but if you use Western or something, something more advanced, so to speak, these actually blink, these selected ones.
Ah, so in Western they blink?
Yeah, because Western supports the blink and see escape code, so yeah, it just blinks.
The guy in there reminds me of VF-Top.
Yeah, that's where I got the inspiration from, because it's the same. Like, look at this, like this.
Ah.
So yeah, same thing, but it's possible in Ratatouille, and it's actually so quite simple to do. So let me try to find it. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna make this thing bigger. So this is the code. Basically, what I do is, for each item, I change the brightness.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's it. Yeah, this is from HSL, which is like hue, saturation, and light, brightness, whatever.
Adjust the brightness. Yes.
Yeah. So I just change the brightness of it, and it works.
Cool.
And yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah, guys. So that's it, I guess. That's it from me, at least for today's live coding.
Any last minute questions?
Any last minute questions, or we're gonna wrap this up and go to bed? So, go ahead. It's been what, 2 hours? Maybe more than that. Marco's dying over here.
I have one question while we wait for other questions from the audience. How does the development of Ratatouille work? Like, how do you communicate with each other? Is it chat within you with the community?
Discord mostly. And yeah, it's a bit hard sometimes, because people get busy with life.
Yeah.
And it's only me who is just there all the time. You know, it's full time. Hey, welcome to the stream, Bartek. And yeah, usually I just ping them. There's one maintainer who only used GitHub, so no Discord, no nothing. And he was just on the GitHub. In that case, it was super hard to communicate, because, you know, he is this always kind of on the outside, just doing development. So we try to invite people to GitHub or Matrix, or at least, you know, have contact with email or something, because it's really important. We don't know what, so if people don't know what we're discussing internally, it's very hard to get involved.
Yeah. And yeah, so you also use GitHub discussions. Isn't there an overlap in discussions, maybe in the Discord or?
Yeah, GitHub discussions is good, because some discussions we want to get out of the Discord for
more visibility.
And a lot of other reasons, because Discord is not being indexed, and
Right.
it's not being. It's hard to search in Discord.
Yeah.
We don't use the Discord forums thing, so it's even harder. Yeah, I don't like the Discord, to be honest, in
Like,
those discussions.
I was saying that Zulip, you can have links to like individual chats, messages.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure if you can have this in Discord. And in Zulip you can search. There is a search bar. I'm not sure if it's indexed, but yeah, we also try to do like summarize discussions in GitHub because otherwise, yeah, everything you write in chat, maybe it gets lost. Yes.
Yeah, I need to check out Zulip. I heard that it looks a bit weird when you first get into it, right?
I only know Rust that is using it. Yeah. So
yeah.
it's the issue is that there is a barrier of entrance. So like there is a learning curve. So if you want to attract new contributors, it's not the best. Maybe it's better to stick with Discord.
Yeah.
And maybe also maybe Zulip is when you have like a scaling issue. So like you have thousands of people, not thousands, but hundreds of people writing. You can consider, but yeah.
Yeah, I see.
I don't know. Like there are big companies using Discord. For example, Cloudflare, they use Discord for all their community.
Yeah.
Drop Discord and move to IRC. So the Javier is asking what's Javier? Javier? I don't know. Yeah. Sorry.
I don't. Yeah.
I hope is Javier or Javier. When's the next one? Also big thanks. Yeah. Thank you for watching.
When's
the
next
next one?
I'm asking you.
It's your channel.
No, I think they're asking when is the next IRL one. Like
Next
with you probably.
Next IRL we do it in November for Rust Lab, so like 9 to 12 November.
Yeah, guys. We'll try to make it happen, right? If you, yeah, I don't know. If you don't have any other guests, I don't know. I feel like I'm appearing on your show more than I'm supposed to, but
no,
you're welcome. You're welcome on my live streams all the time. So
thanks.
Yeah, if Marco accepts me next time, we'll do some in November.
Of course. Yeah. Yes, right? This was fun. Yeah, thank you, Orhun.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. Sometimes forget that it's my channel.
It's not mine.
It's like today is a lot of live stuff happened, live streams. So yeah, after some point I cannot really keep track of things. So yeah, should we end this then? It's almost 12. Marco wants me to go so badly so that he can sleep.
Not true.
I'm gonna.
Zulip tried to solve that. Okay. You know how conversations get messy when people discuss multiple topics in one channel. Yes, exactly. Yeah, in Zulip you have channels and you have one. You can discuss multiple topics and you don't overlap exactly. Like threads solve it, but up to some point. Yes, it's still messy. Yeah, for that Zulip is nice. Also because you can, for example, there is a topic that you're not interested in, and you just unmute it. You just mute it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, James. Yeah, it was fun. Thank you for staying with us. Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. I think this will be it from us. I'll try to stream in the upcoming days, and yeah, I'll be around basically. Marco's channel is Marco Yene, just your name.
Yeah, it's in the title of the video.
Yeah, it's in the title. Yeah, I hope it's still in the title. It probably is. I edited the title a bit, but yeah, it's there. So follow Marco for his projects and Rust Foundation, Rust stuff, adventures.
Yes.
And yeah, I guess stay safe until the next one, and take care. Good night or good day based on your time zone, everybody.
Bye.
Take care.
Thanks.